Sairam to everyone. I welcome you all in Shrima online classes. Children, this is your maths class. Today we will do counting from 501 to 600. Okay, are you ready? Let's start. Children, 501 will start with the number that is 501. Okay, what number comes before 501? 500. Okay, so what we do, in the last digit we will change 0 to 1. Now 501, 502, 503, 504, 505, 506, 507, 508, 509 and 510. So in this way you have to write the counting that is from 501 to 600. Children, as I told you earlier also, it is very easy to be continue with that because all the numbers have the same sequence, only the numbers and the places change. Okay, as we know 500 is there, that is 500. So what we do, whenever we will start the counting after 500, we just change 1 in the place of 0, and then your counting that is from 1 to 99, and you have to put the numbers according to the sequence. Okay, but the most important thing is you should know how to read the numbers. So whenever you are writing all these things, you should know that is 501. How do we read this number? We will read this number in this way: 501. The 0 belongs to 100. Okay, then 502, 503, 514, 571, 592. Okay, so in this way you will you can write the numbers, you can countings in the properly and easily, and you can understand also the content of this topic. Okay, so for you I will again read all the numbers. Listen to me carefully. You have to do it again and again, read it again and again, so that whenever I will ask you what comes before this number, you should know the answer. Okay, so for this you have to do the practice again and again, and also along the numbers you have to write the names also. Now you ask me what is the names. As I told you, whenever you will start the count, write the numbers 501. You should write the names of this number in front of the line, that is 500 ones. Okay, so this is your work also that you have to do in your maths fair notebook. When you start counting, the numbers name should be come in the lines. Okay, you also know how to write the number names because we have done number names up to 500, and I hope you all have done in your fair notebook. So whenever you are writing the counting, you have to write the number names along with the number. And only the main thing is the last spelling will change, otherwise the both starting spelling will not change. 500 will be there with all the numbers. Okay, let's start reading the numbers. 501, 502, 503, 504, 505, 506, 507, 508, 509, 510. Now when we write 510, 0 will be gone and 10 will come, because 10 is a 2-digit number, so we are not required 0 here. 511, 512, 513, 514, 515, 516, 517, 518, 519, 520. Next line. 521, 522, 523, 524, 525, 526, 527, 528, 529, 530. Next, 531, 532, 533, 534, 535, 536, 537, 538, 539, 540. 541, 542, 543, 544, 545, 546, 547, 548, 549, 550. Next, 551, 552, 553, 554, 555, 556, 557, 558, 559, 560. Okay, next change. 561, 562, 563, 564, 565, 566, 567, 568, 569, 570. Next change. 571, 572, 573, 574, 575, 576, 577, 578, 579, 580. Next change. 581, 582, 583, 584, 585, 586, 587, 588, 589, 590. Okay, now next change. 591, 592, 593, 594, 595, 596, 597, 598, 599, and the last number is 600. 600. 600. Okay, so this is your counting, and the most important thing is you have to write number names along with the number. Okay, so you are supposed to write 501 starting. So in the next step you have to write the spelling. 500 and so on. Okay children, so this work you have to do in your fair notebook. After this you have to write down this question also, fill in the numbers. In this question you have to whatever is not present here, whatever number is not given here, you have to write down in the given places. Suppose what comes before 502, that is 501 in the given box. Then 503, 504, 505. In this way you have to write the counting. You have to leave the blanks, and this is your answer. In this way you have to complete this question. Okay children, so I hope you all understand what I want to say. So you have to write down counting along with the number names. After the complete your number names from 600 up to 600, you will do this question. Okay, and then you have to complete this question like this. So children, do this work in your fair notebook. We will meet it again with the new work. Till then, goodbye. Sai Ram.